Hello there, Review Riot here. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing just to show you what comes inside the box of the Canon Rebel SL2. This is the standard 18 to 55mm kit. This camera goes for around $600 and you can find this at Best Buy. Let me show you around the box first. Again, this is a very quick unboxing, nothing too specific. I will do more videos on this camera going more in depth. Okay, so now let me show you what's inside the box. First, we have our manual, which is actually very important to read. It comes in 3 languages, Spanish, French, and English. I would highly recommend reading this. We get our battery, as well as our battery charger, which is obviously very important. Now we have right here the lens. It has a very nice weight to it, and it comes really well protected as well. Now looking at the lens right now more closely, we have the 18 to 55mm autofocus, manual focus, the stabilizer on or off. It comes with both protectors for front and back of the lens, just to protect it from debris and dust and whatnot. It also comes with the Canon strap for the camera, which I recommend you always use. And then here is the body of the SL2. It has a very nice weight to it. It is slightly less heavy than the T7i, but it still has a very nice weight to it. It feels very sturdy. I would highly recommend purchasing this camera. I think it comes with everything you need to get you started. Like I said before, I will do more videos on this camera. I'm going to do photo testing, video testing, and whatnot. So consider subscribing if you don't want to miss those videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.